Today in this section 11.3 remaining problems I am explaining, please observe it. Last class first three problems completed. Now go with the fourth problem. What is the question? If tan A equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles prove that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Now how to solve this problem? Last class already I explained tan of 90 minus A equal to cot A. Using this formula, given that tan A equal to cot B. Now tan A equal to cot B, cot A. A means 90 minus A in terms of tan. Now cot B, how to will write? Tan of 90 minus B. Now here tan A equal to tan of 90 minus B. Both sides will be tan. Once again I reminded to you, tan don't cancel it. Just comparing by the angles. Now A equal to 90 minus B. This minus B take to this side. Then A plus B equal to 90 degrees. This is the requirement of the problem. Tan A equal cot B. Then show that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. This is the solvation of the fourth problem. Now come to the fifth problem. If A comma B and C are the interior angles of the triangle ABC, show that tan of A minus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Listen carefully. Same model, fourth problem model only, but two or more steps. Now how to solve? What is the given condition? A comma B and C are interior angles of the triangle ABC. What is the sum of the angles in a triangle? 180 degrees. That concept how to will write? We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to, question is tan of A plus B by 2. Okay. Now we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Now question is A plus B. A plus B here only you write. This C take to other side. 180 minus C. According to the problem, A plus B by 2. So take by 2. Whenever one side you take half, automatically other side also you take 180 by 2 minus C by 2. Now A plus B by 2 equal to 180 by 2, 90 minus C by 2. Now A plus B by 2 here also came. Now A plus B by 2, which trigonometric you are applying? Tan. So you take tan ratio on both sides. Tan of A plus B by 2 equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. That equal to, before already explained, tan of 90 minus A equal to cot A. Same formula here also you apply. Tan of 90 minus C by 2 In the place of a, c by 2. Answer will be cot a. That meaning is cot a. In the place of a, c by 2. So, tan of a plus b by 2, how much came? Cot c by 2. This is the condition. Equal to cot of c by 2, hence proved. Now, last and final problem in this exercise. Sixth problem. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. How to do? Given condition, sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. This angle 75 and 65 you change into the lies between 0 to 45 degrees. So this is sin 75. How to will write then means 90 minus 15. This cos 65, 90 minus 25 degrees. Last class already explained. Once again I will explain. Sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Same concept. Sin of 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus 15. How to write? Cos theta. Theta since 15 degrees. Plus cos 90 minus 25. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. In the place of theta 25. That is sin 25. Now here you observe it. Given condition is 75 degrees and 65. Now you change into the angles lies between 0 and 45. That is 15 degrees and 25 degrees.